What is good, UB2Bs? Thanks for tuning in. This is day 4 of our Tokyo and Seoul trip, and all I gotta say is I enjoyed this day. This is one of my favorite days. We went to the Meiji Jingu Shrine. I'm not sure if I said that right, but this place was a lot more chill, relaxed vibes compared to the first shrine that we saw. This one was just a lot more wide open and less people, I want to say, and actually had the chance to go in and cleanse ourselves, as you see in this next clip right here. They had us just wash our hands and kind of cleanse your mouth. Just wanted to try to be as indulged in the culture as possible. Just continuing to just walk around and shoot as much as I possibly can. Got another shot of one of the I don't know what those pillar things are called, but it's just a very Japanese design. And as I entered this section of the Meiji Shrine, they did not allow videos, so I had to turn off my camera, all of my cameras, just to kind of respect the piece. And this is Koenji district, where we decided to do some thrifting. Definitely a very vibrant part of Japan, where we were able to try some things. I don't think we actually bought anything, or I did. I bought a pocket chain while I was in this neighborhood, but this was just a place to try to get some sort of vintage shopping done while we were in Japan, because Japan is one of the best places to do thrifting. Just kind of showing y'all a little bit of what I saw. And this is just a grocery store that I had to just use the restroom. And cool thing about no matter where you go while you're in Japan to use the restroom, there is Toto bidets in every station. Doesn't matter where you are, whether it's a grocery store, restaurant, whatever. The bathrooms are equipped with the highest quality equipment, so you'll never be disappointed there. And of course, we started to get hungry. We had to use the vending machine to grab our ticket. They gave us aprons, which was amazing, and ramen, of course. It was outstanding, and some cheesy gyoza, which was, this place was definitely the best, one of the best meals that I had. This was a 9.5 out of 10 easily. And back to Shinjuku, which as you can see, we visited this place quite a lot during our trip. Very vibrant, lights just flickering, full of people, full of energy, and it was a very photogenic place, and I wanted to just bring my camera around and just snap away. Just very electric. Even at nighttime, it's just, full of energy, full of things to do. So definitely check out Shinjuku. I'm pretty sure we stopped in Shinjuku 3-4 times during our 5-day trip. And on to Don Quijote. And you have to stop into a Don Quijote while you are in Tokyo. This place just has goods from hair products, beauty products, candy, some groceries. It has pretty much everything you need. Go here if you want to grab some souvenirs. It is jam-packed with everything, and there are lots of people. It gets pretty crowded in there, but thanks for tuning in, and I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.